With ceasefire violations along the line of control being almost daily occurrences, the need to stay on guard all the time is a job for our soldiers. This is the story of Lance Naik Feroz, who decided to stay on duty, refused to go back home for Eid. He did this but paid for it with his life.
A young Lance Naik, just 33 years old. Feroz was given leave to come home for Eid, but he refused. Instead, he chose to stand guard and fight at the border. Last night, he was killed. His family got the news as they waited for him on Eid. A wife and 3 young kids, the youngest just 9 months old.
बिल्कुल वो कभी भी अपनी ड्यूटी को इम्पोर्टेंस देते थे, घर पे नहीं रहते थे। ज़्यादा आए तो भी जल्दी जाने की रहती थी उनको।
छुट्टियों के लिए, ईद के लिए उनके अफसर ने कहा कि हमने ईद के लिए लीव भी दिया था, लेकिन फिरोज खान ने मना कर दिया था।
बच्चा आने के लिए राजी नहीं था।
क्यों?
नहीं, मैं देश का सेवा कर रहा हूँ, मैं बॉर्डर पर नहीं आ सकता। मैं
Eid is being celebrated all over the country, but at this home in the old city area of Hyderabad, these children and a young wife are awaiting the body of soldier Feroz Khan.
Feroz Khan died of splinter injuries after Pakistan fired mortars into Indian position in the Hamirpur area on Tuesday evening. 4 ceasefire violations in the past 48 hours, 9 in the last 1 week. Even today, massive exchange of fire is on in the neighbouring Krishna Ghati sector. 4 ceasefire violations in the past 48 hours has once again raised questions on the nearly 10-year-old truce between the two sides. There have been more than 165 instances of ceasefire violations since January.
The army sources are clearly telling us that militants are making desperate bids for infiltration just before the winter sets in and snow blocks the passes. And also there are solid inputs that there are about 40 militant camps active across the line of control.
The army is on full alert and is retaliating in equal measure. But there is no let-up in the ceasefire violations and firing from the Pakistan side. With Zafar Iqbal in Srinagar and Uma Sudhir in Hyderabad, Nikhil Naz for NDTV.